How to lower alarm volume on iPhone. So, in order for you to lower the volume of your alarm, what you're going to do is to change the volume of your um, ringtone or your text sound. So, what you're going to do is to open your settings, go to sounds and haptics, and then right here, you may see ringtone and alert volume. So, you may change the volume right here, or you may change the volume with your buttons. So you may check or press on this toggle bar or toggle button right here, and it should turn green. So whenever you go to your home screen and press the volume, as you can see, it will change the ringer volume right there. Once you change the ringer volume, then it will change as well the alarm volume. So that's it. That's how you can lower alarm volume on iPhone. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.